TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien coming to you live from TFNN, 10 a.m. Eastern Time, Wednesday morning, 30 minutes into the trading day, and we got positive markets to kick things off. New Year's Eve. 2 more days of trading, today and tomorrow, coming into 2021. Right now, you have the S&Ps up 14 points, trading at 37.34. Folks, we're almost exactly 500 points positive for the year. Where we sit in the S&Ps right now, 37.36 would be that number exactly in the futures. NQs up about 20 points. Check out this acceleration. We're going to jump over to some of the equities, a little bit of a pullback on the opening bell, whereas we have the Dow trading higher. We get some divergence, as I mentioned, some of the equities. We'll see what we have happening on. And then check out the Russell accelerating, up 22 points right now. That's a full 1% from where we were at 9:15 this morning. Jumping around to commodities, crude oil up about 30 cents. You see the volatility as well, 48.29. Excuse me. You jump over to gold, catching a bid as well, up $8, $18.91. We have to jump over to Bitcoin, $28,885. We're right up there near the highs. We could see 30,000 Bitcoin today. Remarkable. Notes and bonds, pretty calm action. You get the 10-year right now flat at 137.29. The 30-year down 2 ticks at 172.19. We'll jump over to the VIX. Volatility index 2251. All right, I'm going to jump around just to some equities that I was jumping around to this morning myself. We'll kick it off with Amazon, holding up relatively well, even for the day. Check out Microsoft. That's a drop for you, folks, from $25.50 down to below $223 right now on Microsoft. Some of the stocks I like to look at are moving. Disney's up 3% right now. Uber shares are up almost 2% right now. We talked about Zoom. Zoom shares yesterday. Look at that drop off from 360 to that 350 area. Again, on Zoom shares, we'll jump to Tesla shares. Whoops, TSLA is the symbol. 672. Tesla holding up remarkably well. Pretty interesting in terms of hanging. We'll put Tesla on a daily. The only day you're talking about is 695 up there. That was the day prior, or day of reckoning, you could say, for the S&P. Tesla hanging at all-time highs, basically, to end the year. Should be interesting, folks, the divergence going on. As I mentioned, you had a pullback in the techs a little bit. You have the Dow up 150 points now. You have the Russell clawing back some of the losses we had over the last couple of days. S&P's up about 14. Stay tuned, folks. Live programming all day at TFNN. We'll be right back.